Looking for a simple CRM in Notion? In this video, I'll show you how you can manage contacts, stay in touch with leads, and track sales deals using this free CRM template. But before we start, make sure to check out the previous video that provides an overview of the template and shows you where everything is. Right now, let's dive right in with some practical examples of how to use it. So let's say I have a new lead come in. Well, the first thing I do naturally is to add them as a new contact. And once that's done, I'll immediately set a next action to ensure that I follow up. Let's say my next step is to send them an email. Now, in this case, if I click this send email button here, it takes me straight to my default email client. Once that's sent, I mark the action as done and it disappears from my list. Now, let's say that lead responds and is interested in my services. I can create a deal directly inside their contact profile. If there's anything important I need to remember, I'll also leave a note on their page. Perhaps they're considering a few options right now and request a follow-up call next week. Then I'll set another next action to keep things moving. To give a little bit of context here, the next action method was originally introduced by OnePageCRM, and it's designed to help you focus on one sales step at a time. It automatically prioritizes who you should follow up with next, and this Notion template mirrors that concept as closely as possible. So as I complete actions and the deal progresses, I can head over to the pipeline tab and drag the deal into the next stage. Once the sale is closed, I mark the deal as won and archive it, so I can focus on other opportunities that are still open. And whenever I want a quick snapshot of how things are going, I can check the dashboard for an overview of my revenue and sales performance. So that's just one practical way of how to use this Notion template. To explore everything you can do, check out the guide linked in the description, along with that full video overview that I mentioned earlier. And don't forget, this template is completely free, so go grab your own copy. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more tips. Till next time.